Hi guys, this is Mike from Jaa Moto, everything Honda CRF300L, and today I'm going to install this Yoshimura full exhaust system onto my CRF. Purchased it from Lazada, paid approximately 5,200 Thai baht. I'll put a link in the description with where I bought it and the price. Hope you enjoy. Okay, so the next step is preparing the exhaust for installation. So firstly we need to fit the exhaust sensor, which drops into this hole here and tightened up with a 17mm spanner. So I will okay, so that's located, and just nip that up. Okay, so next I just want to smear some grease around all the sealing points. So it's high temperature grease I'm going to put around here, and then these two couple together. So yeah, I'm going to put grease inside here, and lastly the end can, put grease inside here just to help the joint seal up, and obviously if we need to take apart, it's easier. So I'll just grease them up now. Okay, it's a little difficult to set the camera up in a position where you can see everything clearly, but I'll make an effort. Okay, so firstly let's locate the header pipe. So pop the pipe behind the frame and bring in, and that slides up into the exhaust port, and then the clamp goes into position, and then we need to just put the retaining nuts on. So just get a bite on them for now. So that's one. A little difficult, I'm not sure if you can see everything. So I've just got a bite on them. Okay, so the next stage is, let's get this second section of pipe in. So I'll move the camera around. Okay, so we'll put the second section in. So these joints are all greased up. I'm just gonna try and wiggle that in, get it pretty close. Yep, so that looks in line, and just pop the retaining bolt in. Okay, just trying to get a bite on that. Just need to give it a little bit more. There we go. Okay, we've got a bite on that now. I'm not going to snug everything up until everything's in place. Okay, the next stage is to attach the end cam and bolt it up. I'm just making sure that's long enough. Okay, so slide the end can on. Just pop that off. I need to bring it this way. Okay, so slide that in. I think we're there or thereabouts. Okay, and then just get a bite on that. There we go. So all the bolts are in position. Just the case now of nipping them up. Okay, so I'm going to start from the header pipe where it connects to the exhaust port. So just gradually nip them up evenly. This pipe is definitely bigger than the stock, bigger diameter, which hopefully will give better flow. So that seems to be going in well. Just a little more difficult to get at because of the pipe diameter. You're slightly restricted. Probably do with a longer extension bar. Okay, I think we're almost there. Just give this a final tweak. Yeah. Okay, so that's the header pipe secured on the cylinder. So now we'll move on to the centre pipe. Okay, so a little bit restricted there with the frame protector. Managed to get it in. So just tighten that up. Okay, and then we just move on to the final bolt here for the end can. There we have it. Okay, so now we just want to reconnect the exhaust sensor. So this cable clips into the frame here and here, and then we just want to reconnect, and then that pops in around the back, and this brown plastic lug comes through here. So that's now secured. Just going to push them retainers in. There we go. So sensor's back in place. Now we're looking to put the panels back on and fire up. Okay, I just thought it makes sense to fire the bike up before I put all panels back on, in case we've got any loose joints or, you know, bad connections. So let's give it a try. Okay, that sounds absolutely awesome. Wow. Yes, that's what I wanted. Okay, we have decibel killer, which we can fit, which I think will make a difference. I'll try that later. Oh, lastly, there is a spring which I need to fit on the end can, joining it to the mid pipe. So I'll try that now. Okay, so it's a case of reassembling now. So firstly, we'll put the tank cowl on. So that locates there. There. So I'm just gonna, again, just get a bite on the fasteners before we nip everything up. I've got a little bite on that one. Another here. And the third one. A little fiddly to get at this one. It's in location. Just need the Allen key to help me get it okay. And then, not forgetting this little push connector. And that just clips in on the radiator cover. Okay, so that's in position. Just nip these Allen bolts up. Okay, just torque them up. Okay, now on with the side panel. So this has to slide in here, and there's a little lug there that goes in here. It's a little bit of a jiggle, but there we go, that's in position now. And press in here. And then just one retaining bolt. Okay, and lastly, the side panel, we've got another one of these little poppet fasteners, so drop that in behind and pop down. Okay, so that's all the panels back on. Simply just a case of putting the seat back on. Okay, so the seat, put it close to position and slide it up. These black lugs go behind the rear fender plastics. Okay, and then it's a case of putting the back rack on. So, what I find with this is first bolt through, put the chrome collar on and locate. Just get a little bite on it. Same with the back, but we use the black collar. Okay, got a bite on that. Just a little bit of wiggling about to do here to get the collar in. Get the collar in place. And yeah, got a bite on that. And finally, the last rear one, pop the collar into the hole, bolt in. Okay, so just snug them up, finger tight for now. And finally, Allen key So 6mm Allen key just to tighten them up. Okay, really pleased with the way that bit's gone. I'll be honest with you, I ordered an Aprovic full system which arrived last week from Lazada, and it didn't fit. After taking everything apart, I was quite disappointed. But anyway, this Yoshi has gone on perfect. I couldn't complain whatsoever, and I'm going to thank the supplier. Really pleased with it. It sounds great. So this CRF has literally just had its 1,000 kilometre oil change service. Since then, I've put a new high flow air filter and the exhaust system on. So I'm looking forward to trying it out today, and I'll give you some feedback on the next video. So bye for now, but please like and subscribe if you've enjoyed the video, and I'll see you soon. Bye.